Thank you for joining us for our all-staff food safety training. This training is intended for all employees of HACAP. We will explore ways to keep our neighbors healthy and unharmed by maintaining proper procedures to keep our food safe. Please use the proper technique when washing your hands. 1. Wet hands and arms using running water as hot as you can comfortably stand. 2. Apply enough soap to build up a good lather. 3. Scrub hands and lower arms for 10 to 15 seconds and include under your nails and between fingers. 4. Rinse hands and arms with running warm water. 5. Dry hands and arms. Do not use your clothing. Use a single-use paper towel or hand dryer. 6. Use the paper towel to turn off the faucet and open the restroom door. These instructions are also posted at every hand-washing station. Examples of when to wash your hands. Before you start work, after using the restroom, after touching your hair, face, or other body parts, before and after handling raw meat, before and after eating or drinking, after sneezing, coughing, or using a tissue, after taking out garbage, after handling chemicals, after smoking, before putting on gloves at the start of a new task. Glove usage. Only use single-use gloves when handling food. Make sure the gloves fit your hands. Do not blow into or roll gloves to put them on. And never rinse, wash, or reuse gloves. Wash your hands before putting on gloves. When to change gloves. If they become dirty or torn. After handling raw meat, seafood, or poultry, and before handling ready-to-eat food. Before beginning a new task. Before or after handling any food with a known food allergen. After an interruption, such as touching your phone, hair, or face. Personal hygiene tips. Keep fingernails short and clean. Wear gloves if sorting produce or meat. Cover wounds with proper bandages. Do not wear jewelry while handling food. Wear closed-toed shoes when working with food. Do not wear watches or bracelets as they can get caught in things. Do not smoke, chew gum, or chewing tobacco around food. If you are sick, do not handle food, especially if you have symptoms of vomiting, diarrhea, jaundice, or a sore throat with a fever. Shower or bathe prior to your shift. Wear clean clothes. Store all personal belongings in your car or in your desk space. Next, we will talk about the 9 major food allergens and how to handle them. The 9 allergens are
wheat, eggs,
fish such as bass, flounder, and cod,
soy,
milk,
sesame,
tree nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pecans,
peanuts,
shellfish such as crab, lobster, and shrimp. Preventing food allergen contamination. Labels are the most important way to help keep people with food allergies safe. Clean and sanitize all surfaces that have come in contact with food containing an allergen. Inspect food packing to ensure no leakage or spills that can cause cross-contamination. Wash hands and change gloves after handling a food containing allergens and before handling allergen-free food. Cross-contamination. Cross-contamination is the transfer of pathogens from one surface or food to another. 2 types of cross-contamination. Indirect, for example, a raw chicken breast is cut with a knife on a cutting board, and then the same knife and cutting board is used to cut an apple. Direct, for example, a plate of raw meat is dripping and is placed on a shelf above an open pitcher of water in the refrigerator. How to avoid cross-contamination. Cover raw food and keep it separate from ready-to-eat food in the fridge. Use clean and sanitized utensils and cutting boards. Store cooked and raw food separately. Follow proper hand-washing guidelines. Cross-contact. Cross-contact is when a food item containing an allergen comes in contact with another food item and their proteins mix. How to avoid cross-contact. Isolate spilled food containing an allergen from other food products. Inspect surrounding products to make sure they have not come in contact with the spilled food. Dispose of any open product that can come in contact with the spilled food. Clean and sanitize the area. Time and temperature control. Most foodborne illnesses happen because TCS, temperature controlled for safety food, has been time temperature abused. TCS abuse happens anytime the food remains between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This is called the temperature danger zone because pathogens grow in this range. But most pathogens grow much faster between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 125 degrees Fahrenheit. The longer food stays in the temperature danger zone, the more time pathogens have to grow. If food is held in this range for 4 or more hours, you must throw it out.
Cleaning and sanitizing.
Cleaning removes food and other dirt from surfaces. Sanitizing reduces pathogens on a surface to safe levels. When to clean and sanitize. Before and after use. When changing to a new product or between allergens. After 4 hours, if the items have been in constant use or any time the item has become contaminated. Chemical guidance. Chemicals at your site used for cleaning, sanitizing, or other worksite-related tasks must be pre-approved and documented in the HACCP SDS files, or kept on file by a contracted vendor using the chemical at the site. Chemical usage. Unapproved chemicals are prohibited for use at a HACCP site, are only to be used as directed by manufacturer's label. Disposal must only be done in accordance with regulations. Always use proper PPE personal protective equipment. Each site must have posted emergency phone numbers/guidance. Many personal products are classified as chemicals. These items must remain with your belongings, in your bag, purse, desk drawer, car, etc. These items are prohibited in common areas. These could be, but not limited to, cleaning products, hand sanitizers/sanitizing wipes, lotions/body creams, air freshener sprays, soaps, makeup/cosmetics. Pest management. Mitigating pest activity is paramount in a culture of food safety. What is a pest? A pest is any organism that conflicts with human interest. These may include, but are not limited to, insects, cockroaches, flies, ants, wasps, spiders, mosquitoes, etc. Rodents, mice, rats, voles and moles, etc. Birds, sparrows, pigeons, geese, etc. And other animals or creatures that do not belong indoors. A pest in the corporate office is a pest in the food reservoir warehouse. Keeping the warehouse pest-free is vital for keeping our supply chain safe. What you should do in instance of a pest sighting. If you are not certain what kind of pest it is, take a photo or capture the specimen if possible. Smaller insects can be caught with the sticky side of Scotch tape. Notify TGlands at hacap.org with general information related to sighting. Where,
When.
what, and provide picture or specimen if possible. The pest management company will be notified for a treatment plan. Be vigilant. Watch for repeat sightings. If you see something, say something. Warehouse safety. Forklift and power equipment for staff only. Bags and purses not permitted in the warehouse. Running and horseplay is prohibited. Please report accidents. Always use the proper lifting technique. No open-toed shoes, flip-flops, or sandals. Thank you for reviewing the training. Please let us know if you have any questions or need clarification.
We appreciate you.
We are HACCP.